panel, dog. And the dog already trained. So this is what the bike looks like fresh out the box. Looks pretty much assembled, but we're gonna find out. So as I suspected, this bike came fully assembled. The headlight is already installed, the front fender is already installed, the front wheel is already on there. So all we're really gonna have to do, put this handlebar here, put it in here, and it goes in there a certain way, using that guider right there. Put the pedals on, and that's it. That's all we have to do to put this bike together. So good job. Definitely a good contestant for a giveaway, because when you get the bike, you won't have to do a whole lot to put it together. So this bike also came with a box. We're gonna see what's in this box. Pretty sure our pedals are in here, but let's see what else is in here. These are foldable pedals, and they are labeled. A nice, I guess, tool bag. Let's see what's in there. It looks like we have optional footboard. So I guess if you want to ride with a passenger, I guess that does make sense. We do have a kind of comfortable seat on the back of the bike. I guess this is also to help put your footboards on. So your passenger also get like a backrest. Bike also came with a user manual. The manual also has our advanced settings in it, which is good. Not seeing any instructions on how to install the backrest. Also came with a bunch of stickers. So in order to put that backrest on, I will have to remove this seat. Very difficult screw that you have to unscrew, which is this one right here. And also you need a screwdriver for that too. So. Man, the things we have to do to take this seat off. You don't have to take these completely off again, so now you can just shift your seat back like this and then take your seat off like that.